Hey Siri, what's the date today?
It's Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025.
Hey Siri, how many days until September 6th?
It's 72 days until then.
You know why I find this interesting? It is 72 days until my annual trip to the Greek islands, and in some ways, I have already begun packing. Not socks and t-shirts, but technical. What broke last year? What needs to be replaced? My underwater camera, the screen broke. You can't take it underwater with a broken screen. It's like, oh, I've got to buy it again. Well, then I realized, you have a warranty. Did they send me a brand new one? You know, for years, I've stepped away from GoPro. I use an Insta360 Ace Pro. They sent me a new camera. And can I show you what's so great about this? So I'm setting an all new record. Mark your calendars, 70-something days in advance. I have begun packing, and this is just a part of it. I'm trying to figure out what am I going to wear on my trip this year. I mean, I like to fly dressed, so I thought, what if I buy a cheap Amazon suit, and what if I take it in to have it tailored? And I can have it custom fit. But what if I just begin with a $25 suit? This is what I ordered. This is what I got. So, I want a pink shirt. I want a very specific tie. I wasn't allowed to choose the waist size. It was large. Large. So I'm pretty sure the pants can be tailored a little bit, maybe. I absolutely don't have to, but I've always overdressed to fly. I like it. There's an assumption of more importance. There's definitely a treatment of more importance, but on my part, it feels like respect that I get to sit in a premium seat in the front cabins, and I'm not dressing poorly, right? Fabric is a little cardboard. Yeah, let's see. It is super boxy. It feels more like pajamas. It's actually super light, but you know, the profile, it's not good. Let's get this all tailored. My $27 Amazon beach wedding suit. I know it's not high end, but I think it has potential. I'm headed to the tailor to see what she can do. My goal is to get it fitted to my current shape, something more physique flattering, especially since I've lost about 18 pounds on my 1 meal per day. I want to be comfortable enough to travel, but still look intentional. Like I didn't just roll off of a red eye. If she can bring in the waist, soften the boxy vest, and give it a cleaner silhouette, I think it's gonna be good. Let's see what's possible. That suit is giving budget groomsmen at a Tulum divorce party. But these people are gonna do magic. I brought in this blue shirt for a fitting, but it's so obvious. Should be a white shirt. White shirt, pink tie. When do you need to buy? I go September. That vest is going to go from boxy to Delta Lounge chic. All I need is a good Asian tailor and a dream. New this year, solar powered battery bank. Many times I end the day because the drone's dead, the camera's dead. New this year is the Facebook Meta glasses. I don't know how they're gonna play into the trip because I'm treating these as sunglasses. And I swim in sunglasses, so you're not swimming in these. However, so let's talk about the 3 newest members of my camera crew this year. Starting with the DJI Neo. Now, this is the kind of drone that I send off over the cliffs, down the ocean, for sweeping landscapes. This is more of a personal 12-foot around me drone, floating cameraman. In literally fits in my palm, takes off from my hand, and follows me like it knows me. The idea is to get cinematic shots with me in them without juggling the remote or really stopping or staging. Next up, this is the GoPro Hero11 Mini. I know I said I'm not using GoPro, but this one doesn't count. This is a tiny little beast built for action. Lightweight, ready for action, and ready for all the chaos that I don't want to subject the main camera to. It's glued to a new selfie stick, the GoPole Reach. Brand new. You know, every year I destroy the one that I bring. It doesn't come home. Salt, slams, and whatever the agent can throw at me, you always find your way. Before I trust any of this to Greece, I'm gonna take all of it for a test spin on my electric skateboard. I'm heading out to see how these three pieces work together in motion. Sadly, the electric skateboard is staying home this year. Skopelos is not an e-skate community. But that's a perfect way to give you a sneak preview of what this year's footage might look like. So let's take these new toys out for a test drive and let's see what they can do. I don't think you can come. I know. Costume acquired. Every year, I like to have a travel look. Something intentional, something that makes the airport feel like part of the trip, not just a wait to where you're going. I just picked mine up from the tailor, tried it on, and honestly, I think it looks pretty good. So Tony Travels 2025 is officially suited up. And I gotta say, the little piles are starting to form. Got a couple months and a couple days, but this is how I start the journey. Not in a rush, not in a panic, but one intentional item at a time. So look, I'm bringing out the carry-on. Not for socks and shirts, but for gear. Because for me, tech is first. This is the part of the trip where little piles turn into plans, where real estate inside the suitcase starts disappearing faster than the days on the countdown clock. There's a lot more of these videos, glimpses, prep, maybe a few surprises before I take off September 6th. So hit the subscribe, follow the journey, and get ready. Because Greece doesn't just start when the plane takes off. It starts right here at this bench with the gear and the dream to shoot and share it all. Can you subscribe? Thank you.